and we will go and recover as many trucks as we can. And our first load is just up that hill near the shop. There's a truck with a trailer, so I'm not really seeing anything yet. I changed my mind. I am seeing something. Yeah, this is deep. I can see how this truck got stuck. See, we have got this custom built with a pretty high suspension set, and that truck does not. It is on highway tires. You can just see how badly that is there. First of all, we're going to try and see if we can get this thing out at all. So like an old international truck on highway tires and a stock suspension. I don't know how the driver thought it would fare up here, but it didn't. So here's the game plan. We're gonna winch this cab out because it ain't budging, and then we'll try and get one of our heavier duty semis under and winch the trailer out. If we get all this done today, I'll be happy. Handbrake off. There's the cab out already. Foot to the floor here, and it's not doing anything. We are winching at too much of an angle. Dang it. We'll come back for that. But as of right now, we need to get a vehicle up here to get that lorry home. Turns out we have just the truck for the job. It's Shrek.
Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show.
I like to call him Shrek. He's quite green. We're just gonna take Shrek up here and get that cab home.
Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on. Get paid and all.
There we go. Flawless. Now, problem number 2. It doesn't exactly fit like a glove onto Shrek. But we will try. What an absolute machine of a lorry. Good morning, it is 6 o'clock, the crack of dawn the next day, and we're off to get this trailer. When the truck got up here, when we detached it, the stand sunk into the water and now it's far too low. So now it's stuck and it's too low for our truck to attach to. We're gonna try and push it. Just that is close enough. There we go. So I have a confession to make. When we took that International back to the shop, the owner said we could keep it. And then an idea popped into my head. Every truck that we recover in this series, we upgrade into an off-road recovery vehicle, and then we add it to our fleet. Yep, this is... I may have spent... Ooh, ghost truck! Yay, ghost truck! Woo! Ghost truck. No, boring. So we might be able to lift this trailer out if there's any winch points. I didn't think we would have to be using a crane to pull a truck and trailer out of the ditch. Actually, hold on, how ironic is this? We're using the cab of the vehicle to pull its own stock trailer out. How the tables have turned, eh? Hop into this and just detach the trailer altogether. Right, so this might have been a bit stupid, but I've just parked the lorry up in the woods to get it out of the road so we can hop into this crane and get down to business. Crane down and ready to go. Let's get this thing moved.